Good morning, everybody. We're at the racetrack. Adam here, AFR Auto Works, new owner of the Supra. You can see it in there. So sad. But we're here supporting him today, so it's gonna be a fun day in Rimby. And if you're not here, it's because you didn't watch my last video and you didn't come, so shame on you.
You like that?
Yeah, the new driver sticker.
Check. Check.
What's up?
Look at that. You don't fuck around.
Of course not.
That's Black Sheep Industries himself. Big Sasquatch.
It was a wedding and we did a bike.
And it's not natural habitat.
This is Steve from the racetrack. He's gonna say a piece and then I'll say my piece. Let's take a vote right now. The track it's a no prep. We're all here for the same reason, but it's really not good. So let's take a vote right now if guys want to just run the dragger down and get the water off it at least. Like, and when I say water, I mean it's not wet. All right, okay.
Like this track,
we're not gonna spray it. They're not gonna do anything. We're just gonna like make sure it's safe. You know, just.
this track is not like asphalt. When you lose it, you will not get it back. You're gone. And we've had lots of times involved.
Or Granny Barrett winning from last year.
Yeah.
Always walking away. Public road, like I wouldn't, it'd be no big deal. Like I can pedal the car on the road and no big deal. This car's weird to feel because traction doesn't break you sideways.
Yeah.
So you don't feel it spinning.
And the track surface is different and stuff too, right?
We want to make our first test hit. Because we pre-registered early to No Prep 5, we get free test hits. I don't know how I feel. Kind of sad about it, kind of not, kind of excited. This will be the first time me watching the car from the outside view anyways. It's weird. Weird being on the outside. Yeah, that actually isn't too bad. This isn't our slip. Oh, maybe it is. Yeah, 7.8.
Slow balls.
I thought it was 4.6. I was like, what?
You can see my throttle.
1.460 foot.
That's actually not too bad then.
Right up close.
1.460 foot.
Doesn't matter.
I'm trying to drop the coolant temp a little bit here. I think that's our.
It didn't go up much over the pole actually.
No?
No, it was like, I don't think it was even into the 90s at the end of the pass.
That's
but
good.
I didn't really stay in it either. Half throttle pass.
Yeah. I was surprised by the 60 foot though.
No, that's pretty solid actually.
Yeah.
I'm pretty
Had a
happy
no
with
prep
that.
event on drag radials.
Yeah.
Since we're parked so far away, it's not so bad. We're gonna ride up or run back. Here we go. Second one. breaking it.
I got it.
94. Same millimeters as my penis. It was a 15760 foot that time. We gotta add more power, but we got the 109 mile an hour now. Somebody crashed on the track, so a little bit of wait time. I missed it. I was not filming. Kent, this is what your Mustang could be. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, that stock GT500 style intercooler.
No, it's an 0304. It's a modified 0304 intercooler.
I guess it needs a stator, place the stator.
Oh, they look good.
It didn't work good.
How many cars are there?
Okay, everybody just be calm. I'm trying to go get some lunch.
Come on in here then. It's just like $68 one or something like that.
Totally. You're in the right lane versus white trash Camaro.
Is it fast? The relay clicking for the water pump.
Well, you left the charger on, so
Left the car on.
yeah. It was just like the water pump and the fans?
Just the water pump.
Oh yeah, that'll do it. Leave the water pump on, it's gonna kill the battery.
Oh yeah.
What happened, Adam? What happened?
Now everyone's gonna see the AFR logo on the back. Be like, AFR, oh, that's those guys that left the water pump on and had to charge their car.
This is the car Adam drew first round. Good luck, buddy. Making the import guys look stupid.
Yeah.
Only import car here on the line with the generator hooked up to it.
I run alternators, alright, bro?
What's an alternator?
I don't know, it's this
Wing
turbo
thing?
thing, right?
Oh yeah.
I got 6 of them.
Rotary turbo thing. Taking a quick food break, but these are going to be the fastest cars on the property right now. The big outlaw cars. Nice!
Fuck yeah.
I didn't expect that one at all.
What the fuck, Kyle?
I see how you play.
I didn't mean to. Adam with the upset. Imports, baby. Adam with the upset. No way, buddy. Atta boy.
Heck yeah.
1.368. That's the fastest 60 foot it's ever done. And a 5.8. I think that might be the fastest. Oh, 6.3. 6.3.
We hit,
You pedaled it. You got out too early.
no, I think we hit boost cut or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because it cut like, boom. And like, that was it.
That's not building a lot of boost then. Pop the hood. This is who he's racing next.
Alright, format back. Adam directly the 96 Supra. Big thank you out to AFR Auto Works. Format, let everybody know T North is here. Matt hanging the hoops on that one, folks. Gonna be going.
Another win! Another win! Nailed it.
Not really. I was on the first ball, I hit the trans brake, stepped on it, and it just pushed into the second ball.
Yep.
So and he was already staged, so I was scooping in.
You go into the vault too fast.
Yeah, that.
You went 2 times.
Left on like. As you can see in that last pass though, Adam double bulbed himself and then left on like no boost. So it was like a 1.5 60 foot. But still got the win.
With like a
So I think there's 7 racers left. We're waiting on our matchup and then we'll go through. That was really unfortunate. He was trying to cheat it because we couldn't bump in on full power, so he was trying to like bump in with a little bit of power so it didn't take so long to spool, but not a good game plan. Anyways, we'll go see what he has to say about it. Why you do that?
the trans brake button popped off.
Why did you try and bump in so many times? Why didn't you just do it the way you were doing it?
Because the way I was doing it, I didn't have enough power and I wasn't getting the full boost.
Yeah, but you could have waited a couple seconds to like get up to some more power, then bump in.
Yeah.
Because it's not the power, the time. It's like over there.
Right up into the air.
So that button just fell off.
Yeah. So maybe some crazy glue on this for the next one or something.
You lost because of a $1 button.
Yeah.
So we couldn't leave on that note. Adam's gonna go make one more test pass. He's just gonna get it in the beams, hold the button, get it to where it needs to be on the two-step, and then leave and see just what we can lay down in a good pass. Okay, maybe he's not. One more time. Time to celebrate. There's no wind light at the end, it's weird.
Yeah, they got them there, but I don't think they're hooked up yet.
Is that Supra?
3, 8, 4, 7, 1.
hard wiener.
Yes.
Get your time slip. Or maybe I should just go grab the time slip. No, me! Don't give it to him! Don't give it to him! One, 3.9, 60 foot. Decent pass, not our best, but decent. Down a little bit, a mile an hour.
Out of the hole, eh?
Oh, did it? It hopped a little bit? Still did like a 1.360 foot. So 5.9.
5'9", baby.
Oh, that's alright.
How do you feel?
Good. That was fun.
5.9, you know, it's like a deep 9-second pass.
It's not an 8-second pass.
No. But you're a little bit down on power, Zine.
Yeah.
116.
I'm guessing. I'm guessing it's still over boosting a little bit, and it's into the area of the map where the timing.
Yeah, the timing is. Yeah.
That's what I think's probably going on. No. That was good. That was fun.
Yeah, felt a lot better at the time.
Oh yeah.
It's good to end on a sick puffs.
And it was a good show, I think. Oh.
Just so imports can still do it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No, it still moves. I didn't sell you a lemon anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah, I sold it. Just literally ran like it was a 10th off its best pass. So
Yeah.
That's sick.
I'm happy, and I banged the limiter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
we're gonna head out though. We're gonna head start on driving and all stuff. Yeah. So we're gone, Tom.
Howdy.
Aussie Tom.
Much needed practice.
I was sleeping.
You're sleeping on me.
What the heck? I guess I didn't make an outro for this video. Yes, I did sell a Supra. I did it for the greater good of the channel. So if you're here for the Supra and only the Supra and you feel like unsubscribing, I won't be mad at you. I understand. Now we did do this so we could have other builds on the channel. Ultimately, having a race car that I could only race like and get footage for maybe once every month, maybe twice a month, it really isn't effective for building a YouTube channel. And that's not what you guys are here for, the entertainment anyways. So this is gonna allow us to do like more build friendly videos on the channel. And I know this Mustang has been taking so long to build, and half the reason is because I spent so much money on the Supra that I didn't feel like investing much in the Mustang. So we're gonna focus on this Mustang. We'll get this Mustang done. I hope you guys stay subscribed. Hope you guys enjoy the channel, and just peace easy and get that V. I love you guys, and thanks for sticking around for so long. We'll make some progress, and now we got an extra spot in the garage for something, maybe. Who knows? Let's see what happens. Bye!